my gosh, somebody's thing. How is this so good? We're going to have it. Hello, and again, it's me, Tuesday, and there's no one because it's not Rainbow Friends. It's totally a tower defense. That's the new I'm going to say for you guys. So today we're going to play Luxury Train Tycoon, and I guess I'm the most newbiest player in this Tycoon. Don't need to turn off the music. Subscribe to Solopvp. That's my friend. We need to get him. I want to get him down a lot of subscribers. Why can't I just get my money? I do not like this. Put it on. Why can't I get my money? Oh, that's how I get it. Okay, we're going to have a Chant Alexander Arnold, hairstyle. Whatever, just sub to my friend. He has more subscribers than me. He has 400, maybe more. He has 490 already, maybe 480 subscribers. We need to get him 1,000 so he can become famous. Is it a stop? What if I jump out? My train went too far away, so now we need to be. That's 1,000. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Probably will come. I want to go upstairs so I could come. Is there a way how to jump on that train? There is. We're going to. Right now we're going to just jump on this train. He can't not say anything to me. I'm gonna test out the GOAT train. One of the best trains. Yay! I jumped in. Hello, friend. My friend? No, he ignored me. Let's just see what we can have after. Oh my gosh, somebody think we're going to have it, but okay, guys. This is so good. I don't even believe we can have that. This is so. You could even control it. Well, the only thing now I need is basically you get what? Jump back on a train. There's no way. There is. Okay. So basically, we bought a bed. Oh, this is just gonna get us a mini table. That's cute. Now at least I have a place to sleep at. So, this day was 3 videos because that's just cool bathroom under mini style. That's what I call it. It's like when you have not a lot of space, but you have a lot of stuff in. Like you use the staircase to have. I like that. I like that so much. But that was just a small one. Let's see how good. That one is better, I guess. Could we get? Yep, we could have gotten it. Is there a way how to jump in? Is there a second? Ooh, I'm in it. How much does that? Oh, I'm stuck. We can't. We cannot try to go in. Let's just try. Attempt number 2. That's so impossible. That's so impossible. Well, no, there is actually a way. I get what the way is. You could write it in the comments until I do it. So my idea is to jump from here to there. No, not even from here to there. Maybe that will work. That will. No, no way. No way. Let's try one more time. I do not know what I'm doing. It's just to get more money. Dreamy like a dream. Okay, that was too good. So let's just make it a little bit worse. I mean, that wasn't too good because... No. This is too hard. Why am I doing this? No one knows. Okay. Bro, this is so much. Oh, at the start of the video, I forgot to say like, subscribe, comment, share. Why do I need 2 bathrooms in my train when I'm alone? I was saying I wish I had friends, but of course I do. You're all of my friends. And my friend is literally leaving a Discord for his fans, but I don't know if that's a good idea. Because, you know, what if a random hacker finds this video and then he like adds and then he's like, I'm your subscriber, please add, and then he just hacks his whole channel. But he won't, I forgot the word. He won't agree with me. He's like, no, that won't happen. Well, I do not know. Maybe that will, maybe that won't. Who knows what happens in life? Definitely not me. Oh, now I get how we can call this thing. We just need to jump on. Yeah! What if he buys a Tesla? Ooh, there's an Audi. There's nothing else. Ooh, that's a car tuning thing. I only would donate this game at the point of getting a car. Yeah. Because I really want a car. And if this game doesn't give me one, I don't know. I can't do anything. Can't. Ooh, that's a nice house. Well, of course, I need more coins. And the best thing, write in the comments which tycoon would you like on, because there was a bus tycoon, a train tycoon. Would there be a camper one tycoon? My favorite thing on earth. Or would there be a car tycoon? I don't get it. Or if there would be a bus tycoon, there already was. That basically was a camper one tycoon. I started it just a little bit like the I Become Famous, the same much I started it. So basically, if you want me to do it, just type it in the comments. Then I will do it faster. Of course I'm doing it. Of course, Michael. What is this thing? Oh, wait, let's just go back in his thing and just check out what is here, because oh, I basically get it. An arcade. But I want to get where the bed is, because I don't really get where the bed is. Bed. No, he left the game. Why do people leave those nice games? Write down in the comments if you have a Tycoon. Oh, also subscribe. This is the method why we should subscribe. So for example, I got money. I really want those money. And then I come and spend them on a basketball course, which I really, really want, for example. I really want it. So then, it's the same with the subscribe. So for example, you have the money, you get your subscribes, then you come to my channel and then you give them away. But with the subscribes, you have infinite of them. It means you could spend infinite, but you can spend only one on each channel. So you give the one to mom, and then what I get to you, I give content. I give videos. You write a comment. That game definitely in Roblox, because only in Roblox and Minecraft servers. But only English servers, not Pakistan servers. I don't get anything on that. Well, no one wrote a Pakistan server to me. Just not only English. Pakistan is just for example. Not Estonian, not anything else. Only English. You want me to say your country? What's your country? If your country is USA, yes, I can do them. Or England, but not anything else than England, USA, and Canadian service, no. What's this? I know somebody's watching me from Saudi Arabia or China. China. Is that you? Or is that you? Or maybe that's you. I was looking at the stats about who watches me, from what country subscribers watch me. For some reason there was like an Africa or Asian country. Like Saudi Arabia, China, something like that. I don't get why people watch me from something else. They might know English. I get it. Maybe it says like they. Why are we even on this thing about it? Why? Talking about I get it is because maybe like some people from Canada like went to China like for like I don't know like look there for like a week, and while that was a week they were watching me. That's my only idea. You know how much money I need? $4 to do this. I mean 4 more. Like how much love do I need only $4 to do that? Like I'm the luckiest person. You should subscribe to me if you think so. Okay, that wouldn't work. Well, I'm too moose. 3,000 country. 7K. What is that job? What if I get smashed down by a car? It's invisible. I'm putting $100,000 that it's invisible. See? Where's my $100? Where's my $100,000? Really? What is this thing? Ball? I don't. Too low. Oh, got it. In the net. Too low. Oh, too low. Too low. Ball. Oh, I know a thing that we can do. We can play soccer with it. Ooh, money. Do you even get money for that? Let me get it in. Maybe I do. Okay, now I definitely see my money. Because it shows money. No, wait. Was it actually 6479 6%? Yeah, it did not work. If it might have, I would do that. What if it get like $5? Who is this, bro? Whoever. That's what you get for looking at my thing. Okay, guys. So this is probably the idea we should do to get revenge on him. Jump on his train. Keep on sitting. Okay, final. When I. Oh, that's what you get for looking at my thing. When I peek. You don't stop looking because you're so annoying. No, they're not annoying. They are what I just do. They're not annoying. They're just. That's because I get revenge on everything what everybody's doing. If somebody puts a like on me, I put a like on them. If somebody subscribes to me, I subscribe to them. Wait, no, I don't do that. Wait. I'm subscribing to you, guys. If you put a comment, I see. Yo, you like this video, I will subscribe on you. Oof. My phone is glitching. It showed me that it's 339, but no, it's 343. Everything is in my. You get what? Let me get this. Okay, here. Subscribe to you guys. I'm doing this while a video so everybody knows that I'm doing it. Smart comments. Okay, 9. Subscribe. Thank you for commenting. Thank you. Any more videos? Any more people? I do. Hear somebody? You're here. Subscribe. Okay, guys. 66? That is so good. Oh. We could talk about my friend's channel. Who wants to? Me. Okay, so basically his name is Solopvp. This Solopvp. So he has the plane. He has a lot of games. No, I'm just kidding. He has Minecraft. He has the plane, parkour. He did shrimp game, but he did not post it yet. He also did 100 people sliding down. What is it called? Icy slide. Right. Correct me in the comments, or just like 2 times if I'm wrong. I'm just kidding. What is it called? So 100 people sliding down. Whatever, you get it. Or if you don't, I don't care. I'm just kidding. I do care. I really want a Tesla so much. Somebody give me a OMG Tesla. I will do anything to get a OMG Tesla, even though it's boring. Please the car. Bro, how is that? Oh, from here you see? I don't see the water. So I basically see that a yacht is basically swimming on land. Oh, this took us too much. We should end the video. Get up. You could probably end on that. That was me to say it. And no one, like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe to Solopvp. That was me to say it. And no one, because I am more friends. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.